Hello, what's up, friends? It's a platform to share profitmetric.com that you are watching it, and I want to show you this site because it's amazing. This site is amazing. It's really paying daily, and I want to show you how this system works. The review that I'm making for you guys. I have this system activated system of this site. In this video I create a new account for just a review for you guys. If you want to start making money with this system, a simple way to start making money with this system with just a $10 deposit. If you deposit $10 into this account, every 27 hours you get paid into your either Bitcoin or wherever. You get paid instantly into your account. And this is my back office with this site. So if you want to start making money as well, you just go to start here. Then you simple click, come to this page, and you can see, you can read any instructions about this site here. You can see my account details, that's my name and the date that I registered this account. You just deposit like I said, $10 into this account, and it is automatically 100% 100% automatic income that pays you 24/7 plus blah blah blah. It pays you daily. Every day, every hour you get paid. So you click the link, check the link in the description, and you get access to my free site that pays you money. And I have a referral a site that gives a lead every single day. You get traffic to your affiliate link. Like you want to generate a referral link to this site, you go to referral link, and this your personal referral link. If you refer someone to this site, you get paid. So click my link and come to this site, and you go to your referral link, get your referral link, then you come to this site. If you come to this site, you just paste your referral link here. Like you come to this site, I leave a link in the description. Sign up with this site. You just come to if you sign up, you can upgrade the quality traffic here. You can buy traffic here. It's a cheap. You get 10,000 hits for $7. It's very cheap for you guys do this, and you earn traffic. You earn free traffic. Do this. So you sign up for this traffic source. You get free traffic to your website. Like I said, go add my traffic. If you click on my traffic, then you go to add traffic. After then you follow the instructions here. then you get free traffic. Or you can buy a traffic like what I said. You can buy $7, you can buy $19, you can buy $59, 169, $552. You get over 1 million hits for free. Another website that I want to recommend for you guys called 100% commission traffic. It's the same. If you click on it, click on the link, you sign up, come to your dashboard, go to send email, send message. Then if you send, you go to text ad, you can upgrade and get free traffic to your website. If you come to send email, you click send email. I just want to show you how this system works. You click and send email, then you put your title here and some description. Then you put your referral link, your website here. You can see that I promote my website here. You can see my link, this my link, this my link that I'm promoting here. So you just put your link here. Then I have 600 credit. You will get free credit on this website. You get free credit on this website if you sign up. And if you want to know more about this site, contact me. Let me know how you wanna do about this site. Then you put your credit here. Simple. You put your credit here. Simple like this. Then you click send, and it will give you free traffic to your website. As a quick, I want to show you like how I do. And here I said make blah blah blah. Okay, free way to get traffic to your link like this. Then I can even again put my link here. Then like I have my, then I send. You can see that it will give me free traffic to my website that I'm promoting it. You can see, okay, if you check, you can see that my site is promoting. It's promoting. So you click confirm my site. Then you are done. Your message has been forwarded. You will be able to view it in the same message feed in a few moments. So you can see that a few moments your site will clearly on internet and get free traffic. Another site that I want to show you is this one. This one is like the 100% commission that I show you. You can see that I have over 9,000 points for free. So you just like what I said, advertise, say text advertise, then you click use. Okay, I'm trying log in. So I want to show you how this system works just like that. So the second one is that it's the same like how you use commission junction. I don't want to make long video for you guys. So if you sign up, then you come to this page. If you click on this, then it will take you to your website and you are ready to done. You just send emails, then you get free traffic. You can earn points here. You can earn credits here by viewing ads, viewing networks, and you get credit. Another website is this one. You just sign up, do what I said to you. You can see that I promote some link here, so I have 4 hits. I promote one link here. I promote one link, only one link, and today I do like 3 hours or 2 hours. I get 4 hits today, and if I keep on doing, I will get more leads for free. I will get more leads for free. So that's it. Another website here again. Okay, this United Solo app. You can see I have over 1,000 points here. It's the same. If you come to advertise text link, then you promote your pages and your website here just for free. Friends, thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Another website that I have for you today is called Point Price. Today I'm giving you more sites that you can even use to make money online. This site, you just complete offers, watching videos, playing games, and get free points. At the same time, they give you daily bonus. You see, end points. You can see that claim your points. Even they have coupons that if you click on it, you get more points and you cash out daily into your PayPal account. Check out this website. It's free site to make money online. To what you need is promoting your affiliate link, like this my affiliate link. If you promoting on the website, traffic website that I'm showing you, you will get more traffic and get more pay. You can see this is another website that I'm using it, and I create a new account for the video that I want to do it. You can see that's my account. You will get paid into your PayPal account daily, instantly, daily, for free. You can see if you refer someone to this site, you get $10. So you can see I refer one person, so I get $10. And if you sign up with my link, you get $10 for free. So you can see this one pending, and this one they keep it into my account. So if I reach a maximum account that I will cash back, I'll cash out. Then I cash out my account, my money into my PayPal account for free. So thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Anytime that you see that I upload a new video, if you press the bell icon, you'll be the first person to get my video on YouTube or anywhere you are. Click my link to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, guys. Thanks for watching this video.